Yo, yo, yo. What's up, everybody? Jermaine Bibb back with another video. And guess where I'm at? I'm in Destin, Florida, Destin Executive Airport. Man, about to get checked out, man. Down here for a destination wedding for my friends, my good friends, Tyler and Lo. And, so, I got to take advantage anytime there's an airport nearby. I'm trying to get checked out in a plane. So, when I do come back, I can just go get a plane. We can fly it. But, yeah, I'm in Destin, Florida for a wedding. And now I'm about to get checked out in the aircraft. The process of me getting checked out in the plane, I just pretty much called up to the flight school and just like anything else. And I'm trying to, get checked out in the aircraft, and they hooked me up with an instructor. And the instructor reaches out to me, and then we just set up a day and we come out here. So luckily, we tried the last couple of days, but the weather's been bad. But we got a little slot in for today. The wedding is later on today, but I had to do this. Then, after I do this, I'm gonna be getting ready for the wedding. But yeah, man, expand your horizons, man. No limits. Stay tuned for the video. It's pretty cool, man. Just a process of getting checked out. You're about to see what he makes me go through. Hopefully, he's cool with me putting him on video and all that. So stay tuned, man. Yeah.
One, two. Do you hear me?
Five.
Alright, clear.
You got me?
Yeah, I got you, sir.
Sir, hopefully you got me over here.
Yeah.
Shout out to my boy Jason, man. He about to take me out, get me checked out in this 172 S model G1000. Holla at Jason if y'all need anything, man. Flight school, Destin Flight Works in Destin, Florida. 1,300 hours, and he's on his way out.
Yep. Yeah, getting closer. Yep.
Yeah, bro. Congratulations, my man.
Thank you.
133925.
Yep, there we go.
Weather for the southeast region and coastal waters available on flight frequency. Taxiway Alpha 4 is closed between the south
there we go.
and taxiway Alpha. Runway 32 is in use. Expect a visual approach. Advise on initial contact of information India. Destin Tower information India. Observation 1553 Zulu. Wind variable at 3 knots. Visibility 10. Sky condition few 3,000 feet. Ceiling 5,500 broken. Temperature 31. Dew point 22. Altimeter 3006.
We just go to the ground frequency.
216.
And on the top, we're just gonna have tower, and on standby, we're gonna have Eglin departure on standby.
Who is it?
Eglin departure. Yeah, because Eglin.
Eglin.
Yeah.
Like EG?
EGLIN.
Oh, Eglin. Okay.
Eglin. Yeah.
Eglin departure.
Yeah, because they're gonna hand it off to Eglin once we take off. And we just need to request permission to proceed east. Okay. And we have to stay at or below 1,000 feet.
Okay, great. At or below 1,000.
Yep. Yeah, initially. Alright, so now we can contact ground, and we're just going to let them know, the photo that we use. This is the north ramp, and we are departing to the east training area at 1,000 with information towards India. Yeah.
India. All right, so exact ground, Skyhawks 571 November Delta at the north ramp with India, looking for a VFR departure to the east.
Training area.
The training area.
Yep.
All right, at 1,000.
Yep.
All right, cool. Last contact taken.
What does it mean? Testing ground, good evening. Skyhawks 571 November Delta is at the north ramp with India, looking for a VFR departure to practice area 1,000.
King Air 205 Romeo Alpha, roger. Hold short runway 32 at Alpha 6. Skyhawk 571 November Delta, you going to the east train area?
Yes, sir, east train area, 71 Delta. 71 November Delta.
Yeah.
1 November Delta, roger. Are you ready for taxi?
Ready to taxi, November Delta.
Skyhawk 571 November Delta, runway 32, taxi via Alpha. Eglin departure frequency is 124.25. Stand by for your squawk.
All right, Alpha to 32 and 124.25 and stand by for squawk. 1 Delta, November Delta. 1 November Delta. 1 November.
Yeah, I hate that tail number. It's so hard to say. Yeah.
2425.
571 November Delta, roger, squawk 4241.
4241, 1 November Delta.
Skyhawk 1 November Delta, make a right downwind departure, intercept the coast eastbound out of below 1,000 feet, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
All right, right downwind departure, 1,000 feet, 32, clear for takeoff, 1 November Delta.
Yeah, you heard that noise when he was talking? Yeah.
All right, cool. Rotating at 55. Looking good. Clear right, clear left. Mixtures full rich. Trim is set for takeoff. Like I said, clear right, clear left. Nobody's on final.
Lights, camera, action.
Lights, camera, action.
Snapper 1 has
We're going to line ourselves up.
Snapper 1, roger.
Got a 3-2. Lined up on center. Gonna keep the roll going. All right, gonna do full power. Heels to the ground. Winds are variable unless they change, but they didn't say nothing. Nope. Got to stay on that center line. Airspeed is active. We're at 45. We're at 50. We're at 55. Gonna rotate slowly. Nice. Gonna build that airspeed. Make sure we kick that ball in the center.
All right, Mega 1 airborne, eastbound 15.
Mako 15 east approved, traffic is part of the runway.
Climbing that
Skyhawk, eastbound out of below 1,000.
Looking out for the traffic and eastbound approved. Mega 1, thank you.
I keep forgetting how low the elevation is, so we can literally.
Yeah.
So 1,000 is not really the crazy.
Yeah, 1,000 feet, technically, yeah.
All right, we're gonna do the right crosswind.
This way,
wait.
yeah, let's climb to
Okay.
700 feet, then we'll make that left turn. I mean, right turn.
700 feet, then we made the right turn.
Skyhawk 1 November Delta, traffic is Robinson toward Helix. It's part of the pad eastbound out of below 500.
All right, let's go traffic for 1 November Delta.
1 November Delta, make a right downwind departure and contact departure.
Right downwind departure over to departure, 1 November Delta.
Yeah, there's helicopters, they fly along the coastline at or below 500 feet.
334 Charlie Golf, just got cleared for the visual with the bus.
Sweet. This is cool, bro.
36583, I'm going to approach, got you loud and clear. Where are you going?
All right, we're going to stop at 1,000, right? Should we stop at 1,000 or should we stop at 900?
Yeah, well, we're going to stop at 1,000 and we're going to...
36583, Ron.
We're going to...
let's do 140.
We're going to reach out to Eglin.
Is it called Edwin? Eglin?
Eglin departure.
Eglin.
Yep.
Do you want some coastline routing today, 583, or you just want to go direct wherever you can get it?
Oh, 1,000.
All right. 5 Romeo Alpha, contact approach 125.1.
2515 Romeo Alpha. Eglin departure, Skyhawk 571 November Delta, 157 heading 9,000, 900.
November 571 November Delta, radar contact, maintain VFR in the east training area.
All right, maintain VFR, east training area, 1 November Delta.
Let's turn slightly to the left.
21, 5.9 for 5,000 on the heading 15.
Maybe heading 150 for now.
150?
And let's climb to 2,000 feet.
Maintain
2,000?
2,000, yep.
Oh, did he? Oh, maintain VFR.
Yep.
2321.
Maintain VFR, climbing to 2,000 feet, 150 heading, correcting. There we go. This is sick, bro.
571 November Delta, you up still?
Yep, we have 1 November Delta.
Did you get the BE30 traffic in sight, 12 o'clock going to 3 Mile Base?
Looking for traffic, 1 November Delta.
November Delta, you can turn left to the east training area now, altitude restriction deleted.
All right, altitude restriction deleted, left turn into the east training area, 1 November Delta.
It's not climbing to 2,000.
They keep climbing to 2,000?
Yeah.
And I got that traffic in sight, 1 November Delta.
Right, thanks. Did Destin give you that traffic at all?
No.
Negative, 1 November Delta.
Roger. 571 November Delta traffic, 10 o'clock, 6 miles, Boeing 737 turning southwestbound, landing runway 30 at Eglin, leaving 4,000 feet.
All right, we're standing for that traffic, 1 November Delta.
It is. Oh. Yeah, there's one right here. we just continue going straight and continue climbing.
Roger that, boss man.
Yeah, so once we cross this peninsula, we can do some clearing turns and the pre-maneuver checks before we start doing some maneuvers.
How close do y'all get to this restricted area?
So it's pretty much this whole area is the East practice area.
Really?
Yeah.
Even in the restricted?
Yeah, yeah. We requested permission.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is technically, okay.
Yeah, we have a permission. That's why we have a squad code.
Base stop 531, fighting 240, call maintain 10,000.
240, 10,000, picture step 530.
Oh, you know a little something, don't you? Your hands getting the angles for me.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, bro. Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you, my brother.
Yep.
Now we're just going back. We're going back to Destin and do some landings.
All right, cool. Can we fly the coast back?
Yeah, we're going to fly along the coastline. So if you want, you can just go over there. Yeah, so you can. All right. So we can actually descend down to 1,000 feet, so we can go close to the coastline.
Hey, can you take flight controls?
Yeah,
your flight controls?
Yep.
I'm gonna swap. Is that cool?
Yep.
All right, we're swapping GoPro signs, man, so we can get all that. All right, sorry, we up in your grill.
Yeah, man, no worries.
Dog, this is so cool, man. Shout to my boy Jason, man. All right, bro, my flight controls.
All right, your flight controls.
Flight
All right, so
controls.
we have this guy at roughly 500 feet, so we'll be following him.
28, expect one turn and holding at Toma. Hold southeast of Toma at...
All right, slow up for this thing.
Expect
There he is. I got him inside.
for sequencing and tagline.
I'm inside at 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh, how far out can we go?
1,000. Actually, let's go to 500 feet.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And yeah, let's go to 500.
So how far from a coastline are we?
we can fly maybe a mile.
Is it based off of just as long as you got a safe landing?
Yeah, so we can actually fly off the coastline a little bit. Yeah.
This is hard, bro. $500, dog. Yes, sir.
They stay here at this altitude.
Number 5520 Lima, Exmouth airspace to the west. Radar service terminated. Squawk and maintain VFR. It's just Pensacola approach on 119.0. Have a good day.
The helicopters, they're usually at 500 feet. So we can stay here for a minute, but once we get closer to Destin, yeah, we better start climbing.
You say start climbing down or what?
Right now it's fine. Look at this. There's a river that connects to the ocean.
1 November Delta, there's traffic at your 12 o'clock and about 3 miles going westbound. Type unknown, altitude indicates 400 feet.
Yes, sir. We're looking for that traffic. 1 November Delta. Thanks.
Oh, bro. Do you want we can fly off the coast a little bit more?
Yeah, that'd be cool. Let's do that. Off the coast.
So you see those lagoons? Those lakes connected to the ocean? So they're unique. Like they places like this are only found in I think it's Australia, New Zealand, Madagascar, and Oregon.
Wow, really?
Yeah, it's so unique because you have the like sweet water and salt water so close to each other. And yeah, it's so unique.
It is cool. So that's a lagoon right there?
Yeah, that's a lagoon, yeah. And today the water is not that clear because it rained yesterday, but
really?
usually,
not clear?
yeah, no, like usually the water is like really clear. Like
Arrival Delta 2250.
we'll see, you can see the floor, like the bottom
really?
of
The
the,
sand
of,
on
yeah.
15, I can approach, descend and maintain 2,000. And,
Oh, there's some dolphins. Well, I'll show you.
Your controls.
There you guys see this guy.
Oh, what?
Yeah,
Let me get my phone out, bro. I got my flaps down too.
And Delta 2215 has a film site.
Oh, what?
Delta 2215, copy, expect your clearance here momentarily.
They were like literally right here. You see them?
Hell no. What do dolphins look like? From the side.
Delta 2215, you're cleared, this approach 430.
I promise you they were here.
Say that again for Delta 22.
Oh, right there. Look.
Oh, what?
Clear big go approach 30 for Delta.
Look at that. They're fighting.
Oh, what? That's crazy, yo. That's crazy. I don't even know if I got it on the camera.
Alright, we're gonna fly over again.
Oh my god.
Whiskey Sierra, I can approach.
This is hard, bro. How'd you find them, bro?
And calling, I can approach unanswered, say again.
Yeah, it's November 12, Whiskey Sierra. We're along the coast at 700 feet. Request flight following.
Number 12, Whiskey Sierra, Roger, squawk 4231.
Squawk 4231, November 12, Whiskey Sierra.
Number 1518, Golf, turn right, heading 360.
Right to 360, 18 Golf.
Yeah, dog. My boy with the steep turns over the ocean.
Yeah. See if we can
And these sharks. Oh, were they dolphins? That was dolphins.
yeah, they were dolphins. Because when they're together, they're with dolphins.
Number 12, Whiskey Sierra, you're ready to contact 10 southeast of Destin and maintain VFR in the east. Question, you going to 7 Foxtrot Lima 6 today?
Yeah, do a steep.
15 Golf, contact.
Yeah, they are.
25.1.
We'll steep turn over. We'll steep turn that camera right there so we can catch him. Too late. It's cool.
Yeah.
Nice, bro.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and get back.
Let's go.
2215, there's going to be a
Right, you got there, buddy.
Alright, my airplane.
runway 22.
Ah, there were like 8 or 10.
Oh, it was a lot of them.
Yeah.
Number 571 November Delta, there is traffic at your 12 o'clock and about 3 miles, 500 feet. Type unknown, appears to be moving eastbound. Go ahead and contact Destin Tower on 118.45. Have a good day.
Alright, we're looking for traffic and over the tower, 18.45. Good day. 1 November Delta.
Executive 698, call maintain.
He's looking about a helicopter in front of us.
Think I see it. Maybe I don't.
That's fine.
So what's our checkpoint?
So we're about 6 miles to the east. Yeah.
Exit Tower, Skyhawk, 571 November Delta, about 6 miles to the east, inbound with India, touch and go.
Skyhawk, 1 November Delta, roger. You can enter the left now for runway 14, report turning base. Correction, enter the right base for runway 32, then you're clear touch and go on the go, make left traffic.
Alright, right base 32, left traffic. 1 November Delta. You got that traffic below us?
What?
You got that traffic below us? The helicopter?
Make a 1, I was just about to call you, thank you.
Gusty, come down. Runway made.
Yeah, power all the way out.
Power's all the way out.
And there we go. But there's just a bit of energy.
Yep.
Rudder, so you don't land sideways. Oh. Okay, because we have a crosswind. Alright, flaps up.
Flaps up.
And verify the go up and let's go. Remember to do the crosswind correct.
Oh yeah, the crosswind.
And 55, rotate.
Destin Tower, 8 is information Juliet's current altimeter 3000. Waiting to call.
Gusty.
Very gusty water. He said wind calm.
That's 1, roger.
It doesn't seem like it.
Oh, good. Alright, that's why we practice. Left traffic?
Well, we'll do the last landing, yep.
Exit Tower, Skyhawk, 571 November Delta, 4 stop.
Skyhawk, 1 November Delta, runway 32, clear to land.
32, clear to land, 1 November Delta. Left base for 32, power is out.
Are you clear to land? Alright.
Tower, Snapper 1 is going to be orbiting.
Snapper 1, roger.
Okay.
Correction. There we go.
Skyhawk, 1 November Delta, exit left when able, taxi north turn via Alpha, monitor ground point 6.
Alright, left when able, taxi via Alpha, and monitor ground point 6. 1 November Delta, thanks. I didn't want to hit our brakes too hard.
Yeah, no, that's fine. We'll exit Alpha too.
It was better than the first one. That's crazy how, like,
yeah,
it's not the same. Yeah, it's not the same in Kentucky. I guess it's because that coast really plays a difference.
Yeah,
right
the winds. Yeah.
The last place I landed with was Orlando. Orlando Executive. That's the last place in Florida.
I've been there before. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, cool.
So, yeah.
Hey, so thanks, Jason. I appreciate it, man. Hey, if y'all have in the area before Jason gets to 200 more hours, he might be gone. Yeah, but if you have an area and an instructor, get checked out the plane, man. Flight Works up in
actually 199 hours. I just did 1 hour.
Was that an hour?
199 hours.
Was that an hour? I feel like an hour and a half.
About an hour, yeah.
Okay.
Like an hour and 10 minutes.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, man. Holla at him, man. He might not be here, but cool guy. I appreciate you, my boy. The fun flight. Got some cool footage. Yeah, man. So if you're ever in the area or if you're anywhere you want to get checked out in the aircraft, call the flight school up. Google search it. That's what I did. Google search the flight schools in Destin. They put the instructor check with you. And just go from there. Have fun. Stay proficient. Knocked off of some rust, especially with the gusty winds. But,
Yeah.
you know, we're always learning, though. Always trying to stay proficient, right?
Exactly.
So, thanks for finding me, y'all. Expand your horizons. No limits to nothing in life. Like, subscribe, comment below about the video if you have anything to say, any questions on how it really works. And I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks again, Jason, man. Yeah, y'all have a good day.
Yeah, guys.
Peace.